So here we will see like brand story. What's the purpose for the brand story and why we use the brand story for our product listing and how it looks like on my front end, right? We will see later on. Firstly, share your brand journey, value, and mission. It's a like main funda for the brand story, right? Add lifestyle images and emotional appeals. Like it's a your kind of the benefit for the brand story. You can use lifestyle images or appealing emotion or related to your product or related to your brand, right? Best practice for this, keep it authentic and customer focused. While any buyer to click on my product, so definitely it will showcasing my brand like Amazon will showcase my brand story, so it will look like if I only visited on your port on your product, so definitely it looks some kind of appealing or like some kind of the customer focused oriented for your product or for your uh, audience, was the product related to your audience. Like if you are having a somewhat around clothing, so definitely your niche is like women's or the girls, so it will looks like something kind of related to the your audience, right? Secondly, you use visuals to create emotional impact. So there's an option for the uploadation of the images as well as some kind of the main creative, so you can just go with that. There are some mistakes you should avoid, like copy paste generic stories. If you see some other brand story or like the story content, so you can just copy that content with your own content. There's no issue for you can use, but we should avoid. Generally, we prefer there's a any kind of the uniqueness or the any kind of the changement required on the brand story. It will not be same to related with the any other brand story, right? Writing only about the product, not the brand. It's a bigger mistake the seller or the agency owner or the freelancers do on the brand story, right? So here we will see like how this brand story looks like and why it is important, right? If I, yeah, okay, yes. You can just simply go on the advertising A plus content manager itself. Here is an option for the brand story, right? And now we will see like how this brand story looks like. Yes. So here is the product. Yes, here you will see the A plus content and below the A plus content or somewhere above the A plus content from the brand, right? This from the brand is showing your yes, from the brand is showing your brand story, right? This is your brand story. Like you can use the background images and the product kind of the thing over here, right? This is your brand story. It will looks like here this in your front end. Now we will see like how you can upload it and why it's important to our account, right? Firstly, we will see yeah, I noted over here. Firstly, the brand story, right? It's the same process uploading, like while you are uploading the brand story, same process similar to the A plus content uploadation, right? Similar to the A plus content uploadation, right? And after that, we will see the same like SEO kind of the thing you can use for your brand story as well, right? SEO. Like here we will also see like how you can add the keywords and how you will like add the modules for your brand story, something like that things, right? And after that, if you are having a brand story in your all listing, all ASI, so you are eligible for, avoid my spelling mistakes, eligible for premium A plus content, right? Uh, Wait, I'll show you like how you can use the premium A plus content or how will you get the premium A plus content. No issue, right? So these are the three main like you can use the features or you can use say the benefit for the brand story, right? So here we will see like this is already having a brand story. Yes, this one is the brand story which is approved. So while you start creating A plus content, right? So here is option for basic. In the A plus content module, we will see there are two options. First one is a product, a basic. Second one is a brand story. If you are having a brand story in your all ASINs, like you have assigned all ASINs in the brand story, so within a month you are eligible for premium A plus content, right? Create premium A plus. So in that module and that we will see creating A plus like brand story. You just name it as brand story. So here is the same like interface, which is you are having a A plus content. Here the content type is brand story. In the A plus content, you will see the EBC, right? So here is the options for the backgrounds, like this kind of the background. Yes, this kind of the background. So you can just simply add. Here are some dimensions limitations, like you can use minimum for this and minimum for the mobile view and minimum for the desktop view. So I just quickly select that. Uh, yes, this is my mobile view. I just simply go in detail, right? Yes. So the same way or the same process you can use for the sorry, the keyword sections. Like you can just simply go with the Cerebro and do a competitive analysis to research for the ranking keywords and the CPR keywords. Then after that you will just go on the keyword processor and define those unique or some kind of the unrepetitive keywords, right? So here are the keywords and here are the some tags. You can just simply go and add. Also, same process with the like mobile view. So you can just go and yes, this one. Same process for the mobile view. Like whatever you are having the like keywords on the, you can just put it over there and tags over there and just click on add. Right? Click on add button. So it will add. Looks like. And here is the some four kind of the things you can use for the add modules, right? Either you can go with the images and somewhat around text. You can go with the image. This all about docs is a image, and you can just go with the text. And this is the four kind of the images and the text and the whole text images, right? there is a one thing you just mentioned while you are uploading the A plus content or you are uploading the brand story, if you upload any image, you have a keyword limit of 100 character. Like each time while you are uploading the image, you are having a 100 character limit over the image, right? While you are uploading a brand story and while you are uploading the A plus content, both, right? Yes, but there is no any kind of the such thing related with the text. You can just simply select and just copy paste or just rewrite your text over there only, right? Here is a brand ASIN and store showcase. Yeah, I just simply do check all this. Like I'll just putting information over there so you can just identify what the product is, what the module uses for that particular brand story, right? Yes. So I me list. Yes, I select this one. I choose this and I put it over the ASIN. Make sure there's a one condition to use the brand ASN and store showcasing. If you are select or like click on any kind of the enter ASIN column, if you are not want to add any ASIN over there here, so if you select anywhere in the between your module, so it will require the ASI, right? If you are not having the ASI, proper ASIs to showcase over your brand story, so don't click any ASI, enter ASI column, right? If I simply I just click it over there, right? So it will showing me the required. I'm not clicking over there here and ASI 3, ASI 4, it will not showcasing my required, right? So make sure and be careful about that. If you are not adding the ASIN, you can just simply, if you just have to just click cancel this button and add your this module, right? So be careful about that. I just simply, yes, yeah, this one. For the only the purpose you understand how will these modules works, I just simply copy over there, right? Copy paste the similar kind of the A's, right? Here you can just write the heading like it's a trending, it's a night, light, or something kind of whatever you want. Like it's having a 30 character limit. So make sure all the content you provided is within a character limit, right? And here is a brand store ID. If you are having a brand store, you can just simply copy those URL of your brand store and paste it over here, right? Uh, yes. So you can just, if you want, you can just add module over here, right? I just want the preview of my A plus brand story. This is my desktop view, and if I want to see my mobile view, it's my mobile view, right? I just simply go, yes, it will show my uh, add ASIN, right? If you are having a somewhat around 10 or 12 ASIN, you can just simply go with the manual process and just simply do add those ASINs in the content, Right? If you are having a multiple kind of the AI signs, so what you have to do, you just simply go on the three dot, go on the reports, go on the uh, so yes, so this account doesn't have the access for the inventory. So no worry, we just quickly jump into another account, right? Yes. Okay. So we just cancel it all, right? Just quickly refresh it. Yes. Here we go for the brand story. And here it is also the premium content available over there. Like hopefully if you see, this brand story is 22nd of the October and today is 24th, right? So it's today is 25th. And now within 3 days, it's eligible for the premium A plus content, right? So brand story is more important for the premium A plus content if we want like our account or like our content is available for the premium content as well. Our account is eligible for the premium A plus content, right? So here we will go for the I just XYZ, yes, and I simply uh, yes, this one. It is having the SKUs and uh, powders, skincare, skincare powders, powders, glowing skin care. Right, you can just add. Simply, you can add this one also. Yes, this one. You can just simply add the tags over there, right? And no need to put it the commas, right? Yeah. So just add, right? Here is the yes. If you want, okay, like apply AI sign, we want like we have a multiple kind of the products. Like if we go for the inventory page, we will see this brand having a somewhat around 60 or like above 60 kind of the SKUs. Yeah, yes, 190, 79 listing, right? So we need like all AI signs, right? So firstly, we go for the reports. In reports, we go for the inventory reports. In the inventory report, we'll choose only the all listing report, right? And request report. After that, it will some request submitted. You just simply refresh it that page, and most probably within 2 minutes, it's get downloaded. Yes, yeah, yes. So you can just click on downloads. It will download it over there. But it downloaded only in a text format, like in a notepad format. So you can just simply select all the data by Control A, right? And just create a new sheet, file, new Excel, right? And copy over the data, copy all the data, right? You want only the data for the ASIN, right? So each and everything user can just remove it out or right. Yes, you only need the ASIN. But before doing this, right, you have to do like one thing. These A signs which you are gonna do like over the brand story, so you need to be carefully mention कि like those are having only the brand registration A signs. They Amazon will like approve only those ASINs, right? If I somewhat around this account having a some generic listings, right, without branding listings. So if you try to do with the generic listings as well your branding listing as well, right? So make sure your generic listing will not be the part of these things. Generic listing will apart from that also, like if you are having a branded or like brand registered on the particular brand with the ASIN, so those ASINs are the eligible, right? So we just identified this by open date. Just filter it out. Filter. You can just jet to pay. So my all listings which I have uploaded over here in 2025 and in 2025 in the yes, after this one my all listings are generic or like without branding, right? So these are my all AI signs, right? Yes, these are my all ASIs, which having a somewhat around brand registration in my all ASI. So you just in your first column, there's only you just have to put your ASI only, right? So you just edit this one. Okay, your wife. Yes, I just save it. And here is a bulk upload, right? Just click on the bulk upload. It's a upload sheet, spreadsheet. If you have any doubt like how you prepare your Excel sheet, so here's also the mention like you wish to apply this content maximum 50,000, 5 lakh maximum, right? In the first column, right? Note blank fields are improperly formatted. Content will be ignored. Your content will also be saved during the uploadation, right? Just click on uploads and yes, your wife. Yes, this one. I just quickly uploaded over there, right? Within like yes, it showing the ASIN has been applied and you have finished applied ASIN, right? So the here is my all ASIN listed over there, right? So you need to add a module also, right? If I take this one, I yes, this ASIN, it's a mandatory thing. Like you just have to add any kind of your module like whatever is the background you have put it over there, it's the this one is the mandatory thing, right? And you have to just change these things like these things are to be made changes. Yes, and this one I just simply write it there trending just for your like knowledge, trending products. If you are having some kind of the separate niches like this is a sandalwood or like in the clothing, okay, this one is the top wear, bottom wear, or like somewhat around kurta set something, you can just put it over there, right? If you are having a brand store, then you can just put it the brand store link over there, right? After that I just simply apply a sign, review and submit for approval. Again it shows the failed module configuration check. uh, yes, understood. Like you are having like I've already created the those AI science brand. Sorry, so you cannot upload copied like wait a second, I'll just show you. We already have the brand story on those particular AI science only, right? So yes, I've already uploaded the brand. story with the 45 ASINs on the 22nd of the October. So it's good. So it's approved, right? So if you want to try the copied ASIN or like overwrite the ASINs over the content, so it will not. So like it shows only the same error, right? So I'll not just it was I just cancel it all, right? Hopefully you understand the process like how you did the optimization uh, upload the a plus sorry the upload the brand story, right? And here we will see like if I go for the edit, you can just simply uh, yeah, yes, write it all the information, and you can just add the modules as you can, like as you want and your brand story wants. So like it will look like this. Yes, right. So click on apply ASIN. You just apply the ASINs over there, right? As I already told you, like while going for the upload, bulk upload, you can just apply your ASIN. Just click on review and submit and review it all with the mobile and desktop view. Just click on the submit for approval. Submit for approval. Yes, here is the shows your content was successfully submitted for approval, right? You like didn't do any kind of the things after that, right? Yes, so here we will see the brand story, and for the quick tips it's like definitely the like similar kind of the a plus content, like you can also put it the keywords over your each image, right? Yes, if you upload any image, you have a keyword limit of 100 characters, so you can just put it over the keywords and use it in like boosting your SEO, right? So these are the some kind of the quick tips related with the SEO thing, right? So you need to make sure that your front end, your like in your front end, your listing attributes, your title, bullet point, descriptions, and especially your like search keywords, your A plus content, brand story, each and everything will be fully and like fully SEO optimized or like fully optimized. Right? If you are doing working on the PPC campaigning as well, so you need to like work on your front end part. Basically, if you are having a low CTR, then you need to work on your front end. If you are having some kind of not good sales and like if your impressions and clicks are having on the accounts and no sale, so you need to rectify in which part your listing will like not getting any kind of the sale. So you have to just make text testing over the listings, like while you change your main images or like while you change your A plus content or the keywords. So it might be affecting on the sales, like after doing all the things, your sales has been boosted over there, right? So this is the total for the like optimizations part for your front end, right? Yes.